Today I want to go ahead and share this product with you. It's basically sitting on my wife's scooter here, and just want to go ahead and show you. I'm gonna show you what's in the box and go ahead and show you how to install them. So we have some paper in here, and then we have the box itself. This is from Scooter Accessories, and what we have here some nice mirrors for our scooter here. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. So there is a left mirror and a right mirror, and I'm thinking that this is the left mirror, and then we got the right mirror right here. So you got two caps right there. You have them on both sides here. What you can do is go ahead and get a small screwdriver, and I'll show you how to get the right one off, and you do the same thing with the left one. So you just need a small screwdriver like this. You put it in there, and that should just pop out, and you can go ahead and see that once you got this popped out, you look in there and it's got some threads. So I was looking in the box to see if there was any directions. No, there is not, but it's I guess watching some of the videos I've noticed that what you need to do. So I'm going to show you that this screws, you can turn this, so you go ahead and turn it all the way up, and then you look here, you got this nice little rubber cap to go over, and then you got the other rubber cap to go up here, and then you have a couple of screws, or actually one, that screw, you tighten that or you loosen it, and then you can be able to adjust the mirror to where you might need it. So let's go ahead and get this screwed in there. So once you get it about there, then down here you get a wrench right down here, and you tighten that, and then you put the rubber down over the bolt, and then you can adjust your mirror the way you want it. And again, you just got to make sure that you have the right mirror on the correct side. Like this is the right one, and then the left one. So like I said, trying to see on the mirror itself if it tells you left or right. Like I said, it's not coming with any directions, so I'm believing I should probably have this on the other side. So I'll unscrew this and put the other one on and see how that works. So taking a look at both of these mirrors, it's like, yes, the way this looks right here, this is actually the right one. And the tapered end on this side, and it's a lot bigger on this side, so this is the right one and the left one. So, you know, with no directions, you do what you can do. So the bolt down here, it's a 14 millimeter wrench that you use on this. This product is made in China, and 14 metric works. You get that in as much as possible, and that's nice and tight, and then you go ahead and use the wrench to tighten it, and then you go ahead and sit back. And everybody is a little bit different, so you have to adjust the mirrors to what you like back there. So now I'm looking at the back door there, so I see a little bit of my shoulder here, and I do see behind me. And then you can decide on how low you want it. So we have a dog door in this door over here, but you probably see a little bit of it. So now I can see the dog door there. So, or you can put it up like that if you want to see a little bit more. So it just depends. And then you go ahead and tighten it. You don't want to wiggle around too much, and you go ahead and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and I'm going to go ahead and do it fast speed, get this one set up and adjust it, and we'll go from there. I guess there's no really special way to get these rubber things up against, or actually down here too, to get them to stick. You might, I don't know, try to put it in with the screwdriver all the way around. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. I don't know, with no directions, I'm not quite sure. Sometimes you just got to use your common sense, and what do you think? It's like, so I'm just gonna let them down like that. And then these, you could go ahead and push them in. And this one's a little bit looser, and this one's, I like it how it feels. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this with the Phillips. So my wife took this out, and she liked the mirrors because she can see behind her, and they adjusted to her. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.